Hey there! Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense. We break down grammar, teach you useful phrases, and with over 1,000 videos, there's always something new to learn. Whether it's for school, work, travel, or just for fun, you're in the right place. New lessons every week, if not every day, so hit subscribe and join the community. Let's learn, laugh, and grow together, one English lesson at a time.
Demonstrative pronouns. So the first word is pronounced this. Repeat after me. This. This. So it's singular form. And the second word is pronounced these. These. Because the students, they pronounce the first word and the second word the same way. They pronounce both of them this. No, it's not correct. So the first one, the first demonstrative pronoun this is pronounced this. And its plural is these. These. Today we are going to practice just these two words. We use this is to introduce people that are near to the speaker in singular form. I repeat, we use this to show that the people or that the people are near to the speaker. Let's see some examples. We use the word this to point out or to show that a person, an animal, or a thing is near to the speaker. So it's very clear. So when we have people or animals or things that are near to the speaker, in the singular form we use this. This. Example. This is a sun. So look at this word, this. This is a sun. This is a sun. The second example or the second slide or the next slide. This is my son. This is my son. So my son is near me. Near me. We use the word these. These is the plural of this, to point out or to show that people, animals, or things are near to the speaker. Very near to the speaker. Let's see. These are sons. So the pronunciation of the first word is these, and it's not this. These, it's the plural of this. These are sons. These are sons. These are my sons. These are my sons. Let's continue. These are my friends. So you see the plural. These are your teachers. These are his doctors. These are her lawyers. These are our neighbors. These are their relatives. Let's continue. So now when we introduce people with this, we use who's this. The answer, we can say this is a boy, but it's better to say it's a boy. Who's this? It's a girl. Who's this? It's a man. Who's this? It's a woman. Who's this? It's a child. Who's this? It's a policeman. Who's this? It's a policewoman. Who's this? It's a pilot. Let's continue. The plural. Who are these? So we can say these are boys, but better to say they're boys. Who are these? They're girls. Who are these? They're men. Who are these? They're women. Who are these? They're children. Who are these? They're policemen. Who are these? They're policewomen. Who are these? They're pilots. Let's continue. Who's this? It's a doctor. Who's this? It's a nurse. Who's this? It's a chemist. A chemist can work in the laboratory or can work in the pharmacy. Who's this? It's a salesman. Who's this? It's a saleswoman. Who's this? It's a judge. Who's this? It's a lawyer. Who's this? It's a client. Let's practice them. Let's go to the next slide. Who are these? They're doctors. Who are these? They're nurses. Who are these? They're chemists. Who are these? They're salesmen. Who are these? They're saleswomen. Who are these? They're judges. Who are these? They're lawyers. Who are these? They're clients. Let's practice them. Let's go to the next slide. Who's this? It's a teacher. Who's this? It's a cyclist. Who's this? It's a scientist. Who's this? It's a dentist. Who's this? It's a fireman. Who's this? It's a reporter. Who's this? It's a journalist. So reporter and journalist, they are the same. Synonyms. Who's this? It's a footballer. Let's practice them. Let's go to the next slide. Who are these? They're teachers. Who are these? They're cyclists. Who are these? They're scientists. Who are these? They're dentists. Who are these? They're firemen. Who are these? They're reporters. Who are these? They're journalists. Who are these? They're footballers. Let's practice them. Let's go to the next slide. So we use this for a thing or an animal that is near to the speaker in singular form. So this is a glass. This is a cup. This is a spoon. This is a knife. So knife, ka is silent, or k is silent. This is a plate. This is a fork. This is a table. This is a stove. So these things we find them in the kitchen. We use this is to introduce them. Let's continue. What's this? We can say this is a glass, but it's better to say it's a glass. What's this? It's a cup. What's this? It's a spoon. What's this? It's a knife. What's this? It's a plate. What's this? It's a fork. What's this? It's a table. What's this? It's a stove.